Are you looking for the best sunglasses fashion 2025? In this video we will look at some of the best sunglasses fashion 2025 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sexy Small Oval Leopard Sunglasses Women Lovely Unbreakable TR90 Frame. It's flexible and strong, constructed for comfort and durability. Lightweight frame makes you can hardly feel them on your face. TR90 material can bend under pressure, without breaking. Unique design keyhole nose bridge adds a twist to the retro style design. Various colors meet your personalized demand, so that the vintage round sunglasses with exquisite packaging is a good gift idea for your family and friends. Number 2. Vintage Oval Sunglasses Women Luxury Brand Origin CN Origin Gender Women Lenses Material Polycarbonate Style Oval Department Name Adult Frame Material Plastic Titanium Certification Non-Lenses Optical Attribute UV 400i Airtype Sunglasses Lens Height 27mm Item Type High Air Lens Width 52mm Gender Men. Number 3. UV 400 Rimless Rectangle Sunglasses Fashion Product Name Rimless Sunglasses Style Retro Fashion Color 9 colors for your choice. Lens material Polycarbonate Frame material PC Metal Polarization Type Non-Polarized Product Size Total Width 125mm 4.92-inch Frame Width 56mm 2.20-inch Frame Height 33mm 1.30-inch Nose Bridge Width 17mm 0.67-inch Temples Length 135mm 5.31-inch Weight 20.8 grams 0.73 ounces. Number 4. Classic half-frame polarized sunglasses Men/Women. Comfortable to enhance your comfort. Our lens frames are made of skin-friendly nosepads and lightweight materials, so you don't have to worry about long-term wear and fatigue. Durable. Our frames are sturdy, non-deformed, and durable, allowing you to comfortably enter the vibrant world. These stylish sunglasses are made of reinforced composite frames. All quality details ensure perfect performance. Number 5. Classic Polarized Brand Designer Sunglasses Men/Women. With our designer sunglasses for women and men, UV 400 protection coating blocks 100% of harmful UV and UVB rays. Visually restores true color, eliminates reflected or scattered light. Impact and scratch resistant, lightweight and durable. For driving, running, fishing, racing, skiing, climbing, trekking or other outdoor activities. With rich color combinations of frames and lens,